Hi, I'm just going to show you how to use Business Analyst Online to identify locations that are likely to be beneficial for your client. So just going to ESRI Business Analyst Online. And for this resource, you need to create an account using your Villanova email address. And then you log in, and you actually have to log in twice. Go to the Business Analyst module, although the Community Analyst module is not really very different. And there are several tools on this platform. You can get reports from DMAs, or specific designated market areas, if you have one in mind, or you can search by variables and find out what areas in the United States have high concentrations of whatever variable you choose. I'll show you how to do that first. So you go to market research, and I'm going to do a smart map search first. Just click on get started. I'm going to choose the variables first, and there's a large list of variables. So these are just the top variables, but I'm going to go to the full list of variables. And I'm thinking for your project, disposable income by age would be a good variable. So I'm gonna scroll down till I get to, we don't want 25 to 34, we want a little bit older, so I'm going to keep on going. And 35 to 44 is good. I'm going to choose this, 75,000 to 100,000. You may choose something else. And then I'm going to look for a variable that indicates, spending on housewares. Let's see. Household goods. I'm gonna expand that category and see if I find something close. Household, furniture may be, something that you would want to search, because Vesta does furniture, maybe wall units or cabinets or something. I think housewares would probably be better, and I'm just going to choose housewares in general, because plastic dinnerware, I'm thinking that could be like little kids' plastic cups. And that's, one of the problems with using these variables. You don't really know what, how they're defined in the minds of people that respond to the consumer survey. So, but I am going to choose those two variables, and there's several others too, like there's hundreds of other variables in here. I think getting to know the tapestry, I'm going to close this, getting to know the tapestry variables would be good. I'll show you that in a moment. But in any event, so I'm going to apply those two variables, and it's just looking for those two, and it auto selects states, and that's too broad of a geographic breakdown. It doesn't have DMAs for this tool, so the best thing that I can do is choose counties. So I'm choosing counties, and then I see that it's defaulted to the number of people, and 35 to 44 with a household income of 75,000 to just under 100,000. I think a percentage would be a better measure. And for housewares, again, number may not be the best way to measure this. I think the index would be a better way. So I'm going to then slide these, use this slider to say I want not, people that are not spending much on that, but people with a high index. So, and same thing, I want a very high concentration of this income group. And this is, I don't really know where I should put it, but I'm just seeing what happens. And I'm going to show the results on the map. So these are all the counties that match that criteria, and if you want to get a list of them, you can mouse over them and get the names of the counties. Or if you want to look at a list and download the list, you can look at it here, and here it's listed in alphabetical order. If you want to put it in order of the percentage with that household income, you could come over here. If you wanted to look at the housewares index, you could come over here. And the index means anything, 100 is an average, anything over 100 is 79. They're spending 79% more than the average in Loudoun County, Virginia, on housewares. Similarly, Fairfax County is spending 64% more than the average on housewares. So I hope this helps to get you started. And I'm going to point you to some other videos as well. Actually, under support, under how-to videos, there's a bunch of really good videos that explain how to use this resource, and there's also some how-to videos on the course guide for your class. Hope this helps.